Like, where's the air? It's there. Oh, it's burning me. Beauty is pain. The Dyson Airwrap is seriously changing my life. I don't know about you, but I was not thrilled about the fuchsia color. When I saw this came out, I was like, oh my God, that is so beautiful. I need it so bad. In Canada, this retails for $700. That's a lot of money. Got this for $550, $560 with the 20% off, which is a little bit more reasonable. Still crazy. Anyways, absolutely gorgeous. Let's use it. This is the main component here. When I saw this too, I was like, that is freaking huge. I thought it looked absolutely hilarious. I don't know, look at how funny this is. Oh, and by the way, the air does not come out of this. It comes out of this part. This blow dryer is not as powerful as the supersonic blow dryer that Dyson has, but it's really great. And I have very fine hair, so it really does not take me very long to blow dry. Like, this is air dried, so I did my makeup first, and that gives me enough time for my hair to air dry that I don't actually need this. But if you weren't gonna do your makeup and you just wanna like rush, or you always do your makeup after you do your hair, then this is perfect. So it's loud. I don't want to get it too dry because you do need it to be, okay, let's turn that off because it's loud as shit. You do need the hair to be 80%, 90% dry. Okay, this just snaps on. With this, you just pull it down and it pops right off. We're gonna use these larger barrels. So there are 2 different sizes of barrels. I like to use the bigger one. I've heard that these will make tighter curls, but then your curls will stay longer. But I just kind of want like a wave, a nice big wave. So we're gonna go with that. So you just take this, you just pop it in. There, it's in. That easy. Now with these arrows, you get 2. So you can see the arrows go in different directions. What I like to do is hold it to the face, because like honestly, I'm looking at this and I'm like, I don't know which way this is going. So I hold it to my face so I can see that this barrel is gonna be for this side of my face, because it is going to take the curls away. I have this barrel on, which means the arrows go this way. So I'm gonna use it on this side of my face. I recommend working on your hair in pieces. I like to start with the bottom. This is half the damage. You are blow drying your hair and curling it in one step with way less heat. So I have very dry, damaged hair. This is saving my life. You wanna take a piece, brush it, hold it out so that you have some of the hair drooping down, and you're gonna wanna turn it on. Look at that. Then you want to push up and do a cool shot. So I can feel the cold air coming. And then I turn it off and then I just slip it out. And look at that curl. I look like Goldilocks in the 3 Bears. It will drop. And you're gonna wanna make sure that you put a little bit of hairspray. I really like the, oh wow, why? Wow. Do you know this is all vowels? How do you even say a word that's only vowels? Why? Texturizing hairspray. Am I hitting it? Because I need hairspray for my hair to hold. It does get hot. Like, I can feel the heat on the back of my scalp. So I'm gonna do the cool shot now. I didn't actually think that this would be as hot as it was. It is pretty hot. I I mean, if you took your hairdryer and you just like put it against your scalp, yeah, it would be hot. It's hot air. Let's do this part. I'm gonna keep working on this side because I don't want to have to change the barrels because that's annoying. Sometimes the hair goes up here. You just like pull it down. There, see? That's fine. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Now my hair is getting a little bit dry, so if your hair's getting a little bit dry, you can just get like have a spray bottle near so you can just spray it because the curls might not hold so well if this is dry. So I might just go dampen my hair a little bit and then I'll be back. I tamed the beast. That's something that I think that you should know is you can't use this product with dry hair. So if you want to curl your hair the next day, you have to get it wet. So that's something that I think some people don't like. If you like to air dry your hair and then curl it, no, you have to have this wet. So I applied a little bit, just washed my hands and went through my hair, and this should be enough. So we're gonna finish off this side. It really, truly is amazing how it grabs the hair. I think it's so cool. So I'm just gonna leave this beautiful little Goldilocks curl because it will fall. I believe in using hairsprays all over, but I'm just gonna leave it and we'll do the other side now. So we're gonna switch. So we're gonna change to the other barrel. Just like that. And also, don't worry, your hair will never get caught in this. I was worried about that before. Okay, we're at the last piece. Okay, this piece fell out, so this is the last piece. See how bouncy these are? Now I have very frizzy hair, so these flyaways I can fix with a anti-frizz serum. I have the Chaser High Shine Finishing Cream, and this is from Dry Bar, and I really like it. You don't need a lot, just one pump, and honestly that's more than enough. So now I'm gonna run this through. Do you see what is happening here? Like, that is amazing. That's why I said, like, just leave them because look at this volume. I have never been able to give myself this type of volume. Now, I don't like one part, which is right here. It looks like there's a little kink. Now, this is only the second time that I have used this, so I am still learning. So you can touch this up, especially if you had Again, if you had a spray bottle near, you can just spritz and then redo that and it'd be perfect. I'm gonna try it while it's still dry and just see if it will fix itself. That's better. Yeah, see how that kind of flattened out that kink there? So it's trial and error. You might not know how to use this product right away. This is only the second time that I have used this, and I'm really impressed. It gives me more volume than I've ever had in my hair before. I have no mousse, I have no volumizing spray, nothing. All I have is a hairspray to hold and a finishing cream. That's all you need. It's great. Another thing I want to mention is there are different sized barrels. This is the normal sized barrel. They do have longer barrels. So as you could see, some of the times when I would curl my hair, there would be a lot and it would start to creep up on the top. I only have shoulder length, just past shoulder length hair. So if you have long, flowing unicorn mane, this might not be enough for you. You might want the longer barrel, which I think is a couple inches longer. Look into that. It's kind of hard to see on the Sephora website, but I'll put a picture of the longer barrel version. I don't need that because my hair never grows, because I won't stop bleaching it and I won't stop heat styling it. But I think this will save me. Because it is half the damage, I think this is worth it. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, which is better than a lot of products. So, I mean, it better, because if this breaks in a year, I ain't spending $700 or whatever if it goes on sale. I ain't spending that every year. So I'm gonna see how this lasts. So I'm going to go for lunch. I'm gonna come back in like a couple hours. I know that there's a lot of complaints about this style falling out. Like in an hour, it could fall out. I don't know. We're gonna test it out. So this is how the hair looks after 4 hours. So I think it held up pretty good. I met my friend for lunch and she said she noticed a difference with how full it looked. And she said that she thought I was wearing my extensions, which is like awesome, because I'm not. In my opinion, it is just worth it to get the volume, to get that blowout look that I can only get from a hairdresser. I think that's worth it to have a tool in your home that can give you a salon blown out voluminous look. So let me know what you thought. Have you tried the Airwrap? Do you have one? Did you love it? Did you hate it? I would really like to know. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Hit the little bell if you'd like to see more videos from me. I'm gonna be pushing out videos every week. Hope you can follow along. Have a good week, everyone.